Hi guys, welcome to another video of Tony Codes. If you can remember previously in the last topic of episode 7, we actually did something on inline styling, of which we say, here I'm in VS Code, Visual Studio Code. So in this, you just put in an exclamation mark and then you tap in. So everything will be generated for you. So this editor make your life easy and simple. So here today I'm going to this will be HTML. So let me put it in a caps to HTML5, and here we're going to talk about I'm going to combine them, HTML5 episode 8 actually. We are going to talk about, previously we talked about inline style inline styling, of which we did an example. So let me do a recap. For example, let me put a paragraph, and then inside here we are going to put something called style attribute. Actually, we did attribute style. So and then inside here I'm going to say, okay, for example, I can put a color and say that color will be blue. So let me put a text inside here. So I am in paragraph color blue. Now let me open with Live Studio. So Live Studio is very easy for you. Please, I recommend use that, because when you use a live server, whenever like I have open now, anything that I will add or remove will automatically be updated instead of you going back, save and reload again. So this will reload itself. For example, let me divide my screen into two. Let me say in the background here, I'm going to use the same style, and I will say background color will be black, and you will see automatic, not even doing anything. So I have not even save, I have not even reload, so it will save itself, auto save and auto auto reload. Let me change as color of the text to be white, and you will see there automatically. So it make a lot life easier. So this is what you call inline styling. So today I'm going to show you actually the internal styling. So internal styling, let me keep this paragraph. Let me change color to, let me use these colors, very simple. Now this I'm going to change it as H1, put a text inside there, and you can see. Oh, sorry guys for interruption. So here we are going to, okay, we don't see our text because the text is black by default. So we're going to change color to maybe green. Yes. So this is inline styling. So next, our topic today is basically on internal styling. So on internal styling, we are going to have this one here in the head section. We're going to have an style attribute, and whatever we are going to type in here will look the same exactly as this. So here, let me undo this, all of these. So for example, style, I'm going to pick the body. I'm going to pick the body and I say background color actually, black. And it is half the same. So let us add anything inside here. We have the body here. So let's have H1 and say internal styling, internal styling or internal style, same thing. And let me put a paragraph. Let me say I am a paragraph. Now this is where we use selectors. So we use selectors by selecting an element. This element here, this element or tag, HTML tag or element, we pick them by saying head H1, then you style like that. So whatever I'm going to give it there will appear here. The same thing like the what we did previously. So it will just appear the same way. So what I'm going to give it a color of white actually. So the background is black, so you can see. Let me add something like font size. Let me increase the size to be 40 pixels, and you can see there's what we call text transform to be capitalized. To be capitalized mean the first letter of any word inside here will be capital, like you can see here. The first letter is capitalized. That's what it means. We can align this one to the center. Text align. You can put it in the center, and you can see it work. We can also move this. You can see top. That's actually top. Margin from top to be at least 10%. 10%. So it will give us little bit space. So when I give it 100%, it at least move either in the bottom or in the middle. You can see it move to the far end. So and if you say 60, so you can see that is bottom top. Can also float to the left or float bottom, float right. So let me remove this. This will prevent it. And you can see it move like that. So you just play around like that. This is what you call internal styling. Very simple. We select the P tag and we can say, give it a color because we don't see it color. So actually by default, colors are in black. That's why you can see the background is black and color is black. So kind of see something in the background you can see because both are black. So say white, wheat now. Actually like that. And you can also play around with same what we did to the internal styling, which they had one and so on. So this is what you call internal styling. Now we have an external styling. So they are into three: inline styling, external, internal, and external. So here we are going to give our, we have episode 8.html. So it means we are going to create an episode 8.css. Not actually, it's not a must for us to indicate episode 8.html or whatever. You can put any name, but must be .html, the same as to CSS. Any name .css, it work. So it doesn't matter. So we have our CSS here. So what we need, we are going to copy. We have something inside here. I'm going to remove them. So we are going to copy what we have in the internal styling. Let me expand my screen so that you can see. So internal styling, we are going to copy this, everything here. Actually, I will cut Control X on Windows. Then I'm going to do away with that. Now here, I'm going to paste here, Control V. But let us check. The background is not white. The text has turned to black. And yeah, so actually we have something that is wrong here. Here in the header section, here inside this header section, here, we're going to put something called link. A link. This link will give us a reference to the external file that is CSS. So inside here, we have a link we have, and then Rails. This given a referral the directories to style sheet, and then href is references to the name of the, refer to the name of the CSS. So actually we has name our CSS as episode ap8.css. So this is what we are going to put inside here, ap8.css already here. It give us a suggestion, and definitely we can see everything has changed here. So this was very easy for us. So it gives us the same thing, but only different is that the place where you put the internal style, we put it in a style attribute inside the header, and then everything will look exactly as the external one. So the difference between the only different thing is inline styling, because inline styling you have to style like H1 here. You're going to put an attribute there and style it within there. So this gives us a confusion. Sometime for easy identification, you cannot even identify for faster work and healthy work. So here for better, it is always recommended that you use an external styling. So it will keep the different file of the document as HTML and the CSS file. So and it also give us a neat or an arrangement of clear work of CSS and this what we call HTML document. So it's very easy for us to keep a clean work in our working area. So for this few remark, I hope this video has something special, and I hope it will help you in one way or another. Please, I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. And before we run off, please give me a thumb up, comment, share, and also mainly subscribe to my channel, please. This will really motivate me to give you uh, more content of this HTML. Next, after this, we are going to know more deep in CSS. This is the foundation. Thank you for watching, and I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye.